So this is the Sanyo TV sound receiver RP8330, which is nothing more than an AM, FM, TV low, TV high band. Obviously does not pick up TV signals anymore. I think that ended in 2009, I think. So anyways, nice little radio. It's got a flip up carry handle, all molded plastic. Got your AC/DC switch right there, headphone jack, tuning knob. I really like the round tuning. It's nice, big, easy to turn, easy to see. Got your high TV channels in there and your low TV channels next to it. FM band on top, AM band on bottom. Easy to turn, easy to see. I like that. It's a little different. Otherwise, the radio is nothing special, really. Look in the back. Got your battery compartment where you can put 4C batteries. Somebody has spliced in a new cord on this one. So I see a date code 10/12/78, which tells me, I'm guessing, maybe the 10th day of the 12th month of 1978. This radio may have been made. It says there that it was made in Singapore. Just a little different. It's fairly light, a couple pounds. It's got a nice long antenna, about 3 feet, I would say. Sound, nothing spectacular, but it has good reception. So we got it on AM right now. I'm in the basement, so...
Studies have shown that chemicals used to make aqueous film forming AFFF are highly toxic to... I don't think that these would be a weight on ticket web.
FM.
McDonald's chicken nuggets come in 4 different shapes.
Myself and everybody else that...
Has good reception. Then you get your TV low, which you can pick up some stuff, but it's just random TV channels, I think. I mean, random radio channels, radio stations. Nice little radio, 1978, not big money. It's all plastic, no tuning, no tone dial. So it's what you hear is what you get. But, it's a classic radio. You probably get about 25 bucks for it by selling it on eBay. Not hard to find, but pretty cool face.